Today we're going to learn how to view insights on a tag over time using the trend chart. First, we'll go to the Intelligence Center and select our tag to start building out our analysis. In this example, we want to look at all of our website visitors, so we are just going to select our homepage tag. Then we'll go to the trend chart under Measurement. In this example, let's say that we're running a campaign to target consumers who care about the environment. We're going to go to the Environmental, Social, and Governance section in the taxonomy and just select the entire environment category. Then, once we have our insights selected, we'll click Apply to generate the report. First, we can adjust the dates for the tag to fit the time frame that we would like to analyze. Okay, so now we are analyzing our homepage tag over time from March to December 2021. And the lines on our trend report represent the attributes that are selected, which you can see on the panel to the right, along with the index and composition. You will also see the insights at the bottom, where you have the ability to check and uncheck an insight, the location of that insight, and the change in index. At the top, you will see the tag you are analyzing, which in our example is our homepage visitors. You can only analyze one tag at a time, but if we had another tag added to our analysis, then we'd be able to toggle between the two. You can also change the view to monthly, weekly, or quarterly, and switch between viewing index and composition. Now we're ready to learn how the profile of our website visitors are changing over time. Let's say we want to look at consumers with dark green engagement, people that research and recommend companies that have green behavior, moderate green engagement, and people who buy green products. At first glance, it stands out that we see a big spike from March to June of site visitors with dark green engagement, which is based on actions people take now and how they commit to future environmental health. Then we start to see our dark green engagers slowly drop off until October, where we start to see a spike again. We can compare these trends to the campaigns we had running to start to understand why we're seeing this change in our site visitor audience. We can also see that starting in August, we are seeing more traffic come from people who research and recommend green companies. Under other insights, moderate green and people who buy green products have remained relatively flat throughout our campaign. These insights help us understand who is visiting our website and how they are changing over time so that we can see what is working and adjust our targeting strategy where needed.